Smoke alarms are going on, flashing red like it's time to stop. Smoke alarms are going on, flashing red like it's time to stop. Whoa. I'm so tired of hearing about all the same old things, the same four chords played on the same six strings. Everybody's out there trying to survive the scene. It's like a house fire they call the American dream. And when you're sleeping, you're sneaking and you're robbing, you're blind. Don't let it charge you in the morning for the use of your eyes, so they can lend you back your money when they get you to sign a promissory note to pay back all their interest on time. But the smoke alarms are going on, flashing red like it's time to stop. Smoke alarms are going on, flashing red like it's time to stop. Whoa. Bear with me as I put it all together. Assemble another piece of bank gives in order to kill somebody else overseas. On the news they say the murders are keeping us all free, but when you're locked up with your freedoms you could thank the police. I think nobody wants to face it, they know it, don't want to see this way of life is just a game perpetuated by greed that like to talk of others like that's how it's supposed to be. You rob the poor to feed the rich and they call it economy. But the smoke alarms are going on, flashing red like it's time to stop. Smoke alarms are going on, flashing red like it's time to stop. Whoa.